All right, let's say that you're now saving as much money as possible. You're tracking your budget with daily, weekly, and monthly expenses, and you know exactly where your money is going out, but you still need additional income coming in order to reach that goal, that exit number. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 7 different ways to make money quickly to make this dream a reality. All right, leading off, and the first thing that you can do to make more money quickly is within your current job. Ask for additional hours, ask for overtime, ask your boss if there's anything extra you can be doing to make more money. That's the easiest way, that's the low-hanging fruit. Go to work, you're already going there. You might as well try to make more money and maximize your time at your current job. And number 2 is sell your stuff. If you're gonna be traveling for a good amount of time, you won't need it anyway. And this is a great way to make a big sum of money very quickly. You can sell your car, you can sell furniture, sell your bed, sell your bookshelf, sell your TV, whatever it may be. Just get it on Craigslist, get it on Facebook Marketplace. There's a bunch of different services where you can sell your stuff, have a garage sale, do whatever it takes, get rid of your stuff that you don't need. And number 3 is, let's say you don't want to sell off all your stuff. You want some things to come home to. And in this case, you're better off renting your things versus selling them. And it could be your car, your bicycle even, your apartment, high value items that you can get monthly income for. And not only does it give you some extra income, but it also decreases your costs. And the 4th option for making some extra money is to flip items or to sell low cost items. And I don't know if you know who Gareth Leonard is, but he's an American entrepreneur and investor. And one of his big things is to show people how to make extra money on the side is he goes to garage sales on the weekends and he'll buy low cost items and turn around and sell them online. And you can do the same thing at discount retailers like Walmart where they have clearance bins. You can go and you can buy a scanner online that checks the prices of the item and see if they're selling for a higher price online. And for example, let's say there's a big bin of basketballs and they're selling for $1. And you scan that item and you turn around and you see that on Amazon or eBay, they're selling for $5 a piece. What I would do is I'd go buy up all those basketballs and I'd turn around and sell them online. You just have to be sure that the price also adjusts for the shipping costs. And if you can do that, you can make a lot of extra money. The 5th option is going out and getting a part-time service job. And it's especially lucrative in the United States. A waiter, waitress, or bartender can easily bring home a few extra $100 in a weekend. And on top of that, we are in a service-based economy. So Uber and Lyft, for example, you can go drive for them and make extra money. There's other apps that allow you to make money based on service jobs. And number 6 is labor-intensive jobs. And there's online apps that you can use for that as well. You can do odd jobs around people's house with the app called TaskRabbit. You can go walk dogs with an app called Rover. On top of that, with the traditional ways, you can mow lawns, you can clean houses door to door. And there's a lot of different opportunities in order for you to collect some extra scratch to save up to travel. Just remember, these weird or odd or uncomfortable jobs that you're doing are short term. And you have to keep your goal, your purpose, your why in your mind this whole time. Because let's be honest, it isn't always easy to go and buy baseball cards from a garage sale and sell them online or clean somebody's basement for a weekend. I understand that these aren't the best conditions. But in 6 months from now, when you're sitting on a beach drinking a coconut water, none of that's going to matter. Just keep that in mind. And the 7th and final option that I want to give you for making extra money while you're home, saving up for traveling, is to leverage your skills. Find something that you are better at than most people and leverage that to sell it to people who want to learn from you. Maybe you create a course, maybe you do consulting, maybe you tutor, maybe you're a freelancer. Whatever it may be, you can find ways to make money based on your own skills. Let's say you're bilingual and you could teach people English or your second language. Or let's say you were very good at a certain subject in school. You can tutor students who need help with that. Or let's say, for example, you are an aspiring photographer. And what may be the most lucrative photography gig in your hometown? I know for me, it's wedding photographers. And let's say you don't have any experience in this matter. That's okay. What you can do is you can offer your services at a deep discount in order for it to be lucrative for people to hire you. You could run an ad on Facebook, or you could just talk to your friends and family members and say, I'd like to do wedding videos. Do you know anyone that is getting married, or engagement photos, or whatever it may be? And just say, I will charge half of the rate of the next photographer. This builds your profile, makes you extra money, and also gives people a discounted rate. From there, you just have to stay true to your word and do a good job. And this option has the potential to be the most lucrative long term, because once you figure out how to leverage your skill set, you can do this while you're traveling as well to make extra money. And on top of that, if you figure out how to leverage your skill set to make money, you have a real business on your hand. And I could sit here and talk about this subject for a long time. But in order to keep this video short and concise, what I'll do is I'll add all this information in the resources document of this section, as well as other money-making options and apps and links that I know could help you. All right, with that being said, let's keep moving.